Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you here for episode 1 of the culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cooking with our topic, from flames to flavor. But before we jump in, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Now, let's dive in and explore how heat transforms ingredients into delicious creations. There are no conclusive evidence to prove the origins of cooking. Some researchers claim that cooking was invented around 2 million years ago, while others argue that cooking has only existed for 40,000 years. Regardless of when exactly it originated, cooking has been around for a long time, and it continues to play a vital role in our daily lives all around the world. It may have started out as a means of preservation, but has evolved into a fun and creative outlet for many people. Since almost everyone loves food, there are multiple websites, blogs, and YouTube channels dedicated to cooking, ranging from recipes from all over the world to creative cooking classes. On to the introduction. What is cooking? At its most basic, cooking means applying heat to food. Whether the food is baked, fried, sautéed, boiled, or grilled, it's all cooking. Evidence suggests our ancestors began cooking over an open fire over 2 million years ago. People still cook some foods over an open flame, in addition to using tools like microwaves, toasters, and stovetops. In scientific terms, cooking is transferring energy from a heat source to the food. It is as much about the ways heat changes the food as it is about the heat itself. That's because heating food does more than just make it hotter. Evolution of cooking. The journey of cooking has come a long way, from ancient times when humans first used fire to prepare their food to the modern era of advanced kitchen appliances and techniques. This evolution highlights human ingenuity and adaptability. Over the centuries, cooking has shaped civilizations, influenced trade, and reflected cultural traditions, becoming an integral part of human progress. Why do we cook? Cooking serves as more than just a way to prepare food. It plays a critical role in making it safe, enhancing its taste, and improving its texture. Beyond functionality, cooking creates an experience that engages our senses and brings joy. It is a fundamental human activity that connects us to our roots, transforms raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces, and nourishes our bodies and souls. Cooking and society. Cooking is more than just preparing food. It is a social activity that brings people together. Sharing meals strengthens family bonds, fosters connections during gatherings, and creates memories. Cooking also reflects cultural identity, with traditional recipes passed down through generations, preserving heritage and diversity in communities worldwide. Cooking as a service to the community. Cooking and sharing meals with others, particularly for those in need, is a powerful way to connect and give back to the community. Preparing food for the less fortunate, whether freely or at a low cost, not only meets a basic human need, but also builds empathy and solidarity. This act of kindness fosters a sense of purpose and makes a meaningful impact on society. Cooking and sustainability. Cooking has a significant role in promoting sustainable practices. By using seasonal and locally sourced ingredients, we can reduce environmental impact. Cooking also encourages minimizing food waste through creative techniques like fermentation and preservation, contributing to a more sustainable future for our planet. The psychology of cooking. Cooking is not just a practical task, but a therapeutic activity that enhances mental well-being. It allows people to express creativity, relieve stress, and gain a sense of accomplishment. The process of preparing and sharing food fosters joy and mindfulness, making it a fulfilling and enriching experience. The future of cooking. The future of cooking is shaped by innovation and sustainability. From 3D food printing and plant-based culinary options to smart appliances that simplify tasks, the culinary world is poised for exciting advancements. These developments aim to make cooking more efficient, sustainable, and aligned with the evolving needs of society. Modern cooking trends. The culinary world is constantly evolving, with modern cooking trends reflecting innovation and creativity. From smart kitchens and cooking apps to fusion cuisines that blend flavors from different cultures, technology and globalization are transforming how we prepare and enjoy food. These trends make cooking more accessible, exciting, and inclusive. Challenges in cooking. While cooking is rewarding, it does come with its challenges. Limited time, lack of culinary skills, and difficulties accessing quality ingredients can make it daunting for many. However, with the right tools, education, and mindset, these barriers can be overcome, making cooking accessible to all. Cooking as a form of self-expression. Cooking is not just about preparing meals, it's a creative outlet and a form of self-expression. By experimenting with flavors, techniques, and presentations, individuals can showcase their personalities and cultural heritage. Whether it's crafting a signature dish or adding a personal twist to a classic recipe, cooking allows you to tell your story through food, making every meal unique and meaningful. What are the benefits of cooking? Cooking has numerous advantages that impact our health, lifestyle, and finances. Nutritional benefits. Cooking helps make food easier to digest and enhances nutrient absorption, providing essential sustenance. Health benefits. By eliminating harmful bacteria and toxins, cooking ensures the safety of our meals. Economic benefits. Home-cooked meals are often more cost-effective than dining out, making it a practical choice for many. Benefits of cooking. There are multiple reasons why you should cook at home or learn how to cook if you don't possess this vital skills. It doesn't matter if you are a student or a working adult with a busy schedule. You should consider cooking and preparing your own meals rather than eating out. I have listed out the 3 main benefits of cooking below. Lead a healthier life, save money, and boost self-esteem. I don't want to bore you by reading everything on the screen, so I'll just share the main points with you to keep it simple and quick. Lead a healthier life. Cooking at home ensures you're eating fresher and healthier meals. You'll naturally choose options with more nutrients compared to restaurants or cafes that focus mainly on taste. It also helps control portion sizes, avoid excess calories, and reduces the risk of obesity. Save money. Home cooking is cost-effective compared to dining out or using delivery services, which often include extra charges like tips and service fees. You can buy ingredients affordably and grow your own produce if space permits. Over time, the cost savings can add up significantly. Boost self-esteem. Preparing and sharing meals can build confidence and provide a sense of accomplishment. The joy of seeing others enjoy your food reinforces your abilities. The pride you feel from creating something with your own hands can motivate you to explore more skills in life. Also, feel free to look at the screen for a more detailed explanation of the benefits of cooking at home. It's not just about what you're eating, but how it improves various aspects of your life. And that's a wrap for episode 1 of the Culinary Journey, From Flames to Flavor. We hope you enjoyed exploring the evolution of cooking, the reasons behind why we cook, the numerous benefits it brings to us and society, etc. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more exciting episodes ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our culinary adventure. Until then, happy cooking and stay inspired.